a little booklet, and it's great. You know, it's got all the detail in it. You need to wear your glasses though if you're like me. And you know, you're going back and forth a lot, and you're looking at this, and then you're going back to what you're doing. It's kind of difficult. So I prefer to just use YouTube, and that's what I'll take. I'll take that route.
Screen is in here. I'm trying to get it out. Okay. There is the new LCD screen. That's everything from this layer.
Okay, so there's several very good YouTube videos out there.
These are 2040 extrusions, so
Whoop, hey.
These will be the Z-axis.
Well, see, the YouTube video saved me from having this hit me in the toe already.
Inside of one of those, the Z-axis stepper motor, the wheel.
So let's go step by step and see how it goes. Okay, so here we are, a little bit like midway, and I used Brian Vine's YouTube video explaining how to assemble the printer. So it went very well. You'd never know when you do that. You click on a video and you start watching it and you go through the steps, and sometimes it's not so good, but sometimes it's really good. Here it is Saturday. The printer's working just fine. Anyway, the Ender is a great printer. Easy to put together, and it looks like it's going to be a blast to use because this controller right here, it's the best. It's great. You can just pick out all your temperatures for the nozzle or the bed, and away you go. So no hesitation. This is a great printer.